Ever wondered what hacking actually means? How is it different from cyber hacking? One word, two vibes: curiosity, crime. Quick breakdown. Hacking is creative problem solving with technology, tinkering, modifying, making things do more than they were designed to. Ethical hacking. Security pros who legally test systems to make them safer. Cyber hacking is unauthorized digital break-ins, breaking passwords, exploiting software flaws, stealing data, locking files for ransom. Hacking can be legit and helpful. Cyber hacking is illegal and harmful. Why should you care? Everyday people get hit. Phishing emails slip into your inbox. Leaked passwords get tried on your accounts. One weak phone or Wi-Fi setting can expose photos, messages, even your money. Let's fix that. Fast, using the same mindset good hackers use. Reduce attack surface, raise the cost for attackers, plan for recovery. Step 1. Update everything. Turn on automatic updates for your phone. Turn on automatic updates for your laptop. Turn on automatic updates for your apps. Turn on automatic updates for your router. Patches close the exact holes criminals target. Step 2. Strong unique passwords. No repeats. Use a password manager to generate and store them. Add multi-factor authentication everywhere. Prefer app codes or passkeys over SMS when possible. Step 3. Outsmart phishing. Slow down. Check the sender. Check the URL. Check the vibe. If it's urgent, scary, or asks for passwords or payments, verify using a known contact method, not the link provided. Step 4. Lock down devices. Set a screen lock. Enable device encryption. Remove apps you don't use. On public Wi-Fi, avoid sensitive logins or use a trusted VPN. Step 5. Secure your home network. Change the router's default admin password, update firmware. Use WPA3 or at least WPA2. Hide or separate smart devices on a guest network. Step 6. Backup like a pro. Follow 3-2-1, 3 copies, 2 different media, 1 off-site or cloud.